Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome back for another video. Thanks for joining me, and let's get talking. First, let me find my tripod. Alright, what's up everyone? Thanks for joining me once again. Gonna do a quick update video on the parts that we got for the 240 because I suck as a YouTuber and I've been very busy and I've been slacking on the videos, so probably not gonna have much time to work on the car this weekend. So, where we're at right now, let me raise you up a little bit. So I got the rear bumper 99% mounted. I could show you. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Kind of got it in the last video. If you didn't see that, check that out. Link that up there. That's me fitting the rear bumper of this kit. My Car Modify Wonder Glare kit with the 30mm over fenders. So new part came in 2 days ago. It is a carbon fiber hood. So let's go look at that quick. That's the Sabon. It's a Sabon carbon fiber DV style hood. From what I was told, is that it is the only one left in the country right now, and thank God it didn't come damaged. I don't know how true that bit of information is, but my friend here, I'm gonna link him right here. He could hook you up with some parts. He works for SMY Performance. Hit him up anytime you want any parts, just about for any car, really. So the other thing not sure if I'm picking up this weekend. It's Friday right now, so I'm not sure if I'm going to pick it up tomorrow or Sunday. If not, I'll get it next week. I'm getting, I have new headlights coming. So right now, as you might be able to tell, this is a Zenki front end, which is the 95 and 96 240SX front end. And I am converting it to a Kouki, which is a 97 and 98. So the things you need to do the conversion, obviously, is a hood, bumper, your two front fenders. You need to switch those because those no longer fit, and then all the lighting. So from what I'm learning as we go along here, since I'm switching over to like JDM style, and this is USDM, there's like a patch, a harness to switch your headlight. There's a harness to switch your wiring, so I have that coming too. Headlights, corner markers, not turn signals yet because the OEM Nissan turn signals are amber, and I think I want to go with clear lenses, so I have to look into that to see which ones I actually want. Not going to have that much time to mess with the car this weekend because I have to pack for a trip next week. So next weekend we leave for 2 weeks. We're going on a cross-country trip with the truck. The truck is parked out there. You're not going to be able to see it through the thing, but the Colorado ZR2, putting the bed rack on it, putting the tent, going to camp a couple nights, going to stay in a couple hotels, driving from New York all the way to Utah, then coming back, staying in Tennessee, coming back to New York. Taking 2 weeks for this. Going to be awesome. I will probably upload a couple random videos along the way. I was going to try to daily upload, but there's one day of 16 hours of driving, and I'm probably not going to feel like uploading that day, and I'm not sure if I'm going to have Wi-Fi some of the days because we're going to be camping once again. So I will throw some travel vlog style stuff in the mix there. Going to probably do some light off-roading, nothing crazy, because don't want to break the truck since we have to drive it home. So opening the garage quick, I'm going to show you the rear bumper, see what we did there, because I did a little something special with it. I guess special you call it, which could have been catastrophic if I messed it up. But we'll go look at it, and we will talk a little bit more about what's done, and then we'll end it. Nice, short and sweet. Actually, not going to see under here, but I did cut out the OEM fender. I cut out maybe about to here, so I have no problem with rubbing. So I can get my fingers in there. Not going to hit any. Not going to hit fender if we hit anything big, any big bumps, and we have to like tuck. I mean, it's completely common. It's kind of temporary right now. Gonna have to fix it up to make it like a lot more professional style. Right now it's kind of ghetto rigged in there. It's tack welded, but not completely welded, and there's still holes in it. I was just trying to get it like done like ASAP because I was gonna go to a Cars and Coffee, and then I wasn't able to finish the car. So I'm gonna have to take these fenders off again at some point and seal it up nice, because there is some like gaps in there, and from the wheel well you can see into the car, which is no bueno. So let's look at rear bumper. There's one thing that I definitely have to fix, and I guess I'll show you I guess I'll show you the other reason why it's not 100%. Yes. So this was the big thing right there. So we have you're gonna be able to, you might see it, this is the rear bash bar I put back on. So that's behind the bumper, and I did cut it. I'm gonna have to fix that spot right there. Did cut it to let the toe point with the strap on it hang out. I kind of like the look. Gives it just a little bit extra. A little bit like custom, a little more custom look to it. And if you didn't figure out, that is the thing that could have been catastrophic if I messed it up. It is pretty close. I can, if I wanted to get crazy, trim the top a little bit more to leave a little more space there, but because there is a little more space at the bottom than the top. But I had my wife help me mount it up just to find the spot, and the original spot that I marked was like down here somewhere. Then she slid it in even more, and then we got it there. So thanks to her, I didn't cut it down here. Then one of the last things that I'm gonna have to do for the bumper to make it like even fit better, because right now we're touching, is fix how the exhaust comes out. I think because when I brought the car into the shop to get everything, the exhaust fabricated, the exhaust wasn't on, so it might be pushed back more than it would be stock. So like I'm assuming this is sticking out more than normal. So the way it is now, we're touching the bumper right there. So I'm thinking of possibly, I don't know if we're gonna be able to see, thinking of making a pie cut in the piping, just to give it like a little bend this way, I guess, to make the tip come out more center. Because right now, that's hitting the differential if I do that, and it's still not centered. All right, back up top here. So after I get the hood, front bumper, front fenders on, most of the car is, oh, and I have the side skirts, but the side skirts have to wait for the front fenders to be on. That's why I didn't do those yet. After I get all those pieces on, the car is mostly going to be white, with the exception of the doors, the mirrors, and the side pieces of the wing. So I'm considering wrapping that. Well, at least the doors, because I suck at wrapping. The side pieces for the wing and the Ganador mirrors, I might find just some white spray paint, because the rest of the car is just kind of straight white. I'm eventually going to get the car completely painted, or wrapped, I don't know yet, probably painted, just to make it look good in the meantime while I save up some money to get paint, because paint's ridiculously expensive. I might do it like that, just so everything looks, at least in photos or like from afar, everything looks like it matches. So that's it for today. Like I said, it was gonna be a quick video. That's the update on what's going on. We're gonna see if we could get anything else done this weekend. If I can get anything else done, I will try to film it. I'm working on, one of the things I do have to still do is change the door cylinder out, which I took it out. I gotta figure out which one's which. I took one out, and the other one is very hard to get into where it's gotta be. I think I gotta take the window out of the door, which I wasn't feeling like doing the other day, so it's gonna be nice. Tomorrow I might attempt to do it. We'll see. But thanks for joining me. That's it on this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Try to give you an update. The 190E content, I will try to get back to that shortly. At least start getting more of these pieces fitted, because that 190E kit is, the fitment's horrible on it. But that's it. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for the next one and all that good stuff. I will see you soon. Cross country trip coming up soon. It's going to be awesome, and peace out.